Hi class. Today we are going to discuss estimation. First off, I'd like for you guys to give me another word or a definition for estimation. To guess. To make a hypothesis. Excellent, excellent. To make an assessment. Good, very good, very good. Can you give me some examples of when you have had to use your estimation skills? Were there any particular instances? The jelly bean bowl, yes. I've also done the jelly bean bowl. Tells how old I am. Anyway, the jelly bean bowl is a real fun estimation exercise. I've done it before. If none of you guys have seen this, you go to a store, they normally have a jelly bean bowl or peanuts or something in a bowl, and they offer you a prize for the closest estimation, the closest guess of how much of the product is in the jelly bean bowl or the bowl. And it's real fun. It's real fun. I've done it before. Are there any other examples? Height and weight, of course. Physically observe something with your eyes or you feel it, you can estimate how much it weighs, how tall it is, just by the eye, just by the touch. That's very good. Any others? Rate of speed. Rate of speed is something that you can kind of judge, but this is going to kind of lead into our lesson. You have to sometimes develop a strategy or a formula to actually confirm how fast the rate of speed something is going. So that's going to lead into our lesson today. What we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to break into groups of 4. And we have 28 classmates, so we're going to break into groups of 4. What I'd like you to do is I'm going to pass out bags of an undetermined coin. You're not going to know the coin. I don't want you opening the bag. I want you to physically observe it. You can use your eyes, your touch, judgment to figure out how much, make an estimation of how much you think, how much money is in each bag. So I'd like you to go ahead and do that, break into your groups, and we're going to begin the lesson. Go ahead, guys. Here's your bags. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, go ahead and begin when you're ready. One person in the group, I'd like you to record your first estimation. Keep it a secret to everybody else. Don't let everybody know, and we're going to discuss it following the lesson. We're going to make some comparisons to this original estimation, so go ahead. Okay, now that we've made our estimations, I want you to empty the bags. I'm going to empty the bags out on the table. Label your bags dimes, label your bags nickels and pennies. Okay. After that, I want you to lay the bag next to your group of coins, and I want a vertical stack of each monetary amount. For example, dimes with dimes, nickels with nickels, pennies with pennies. Okay, what I want you to do now, I want you to develop a strategy, a valid strategy, using your rulers, by measuring, find some sort of strategy and formula to determine estimation of the monetary amount. So go ahead and do that now. Okay, good job, good job. Group A, can you tell me what did you find out about your formula? What type of formula did you develop? Oh, okay, that's very good. What they've done, class, they stacked up their dimes first. They measured their stack of dimes. The stack of dimes was 3 inches. They took the 3 inches and they multiplied it times the monetary amount, and they got 30. They converted that 30 to $3, and their guess is $3 in dimes. That's very good. And so forth with the nickels. The nickels 2.5, that's the measurement they got. Multiplied it times 5, and the result was 12.5, converted it to $1.25. The pennies, they did the same thing. They got 2 inches. They multiplied 2 inches times 1, the monetary amount of the penny, and they got 20 cents. Very good. Very, very good, Group A. I like that. Now what we're going to do, guys, is your strategies. We're going to test your strategies. I want you to go ahead and count the pennies out, count the nickels, and count the dimes. And I want your reporter to record each of the amounts. So go ahead and do that now. Okay? Good. Good job. Okay? What can you say? I want you to tell me how can you compare the actual dollar amount to your estimations? Group A. Okay, you had 15 dimes, and you multiplied it times the 10 cents, which gave you $1.50. So you got half the estimation. Okay, that's your conclusion. Okay, what about your nickels? You had 20 nickels, okay, times 5, which would be $1. Very close on your estimation. So you were actually closer on this estimation. You estimated $1.25, and you came up with dollar actual amount. That's very good. What about your pennies? Pennies, you had 22 pennies times 1, which was 22 cents. That's very, very close to your estimation. Well, what conclusion can you draw from that? Okay, great. Your conclusion is that the lower denomination of money, the easier the estimation, the easier your strategy will fit your estimated amount. That's very good. Very, very good, guys. To kind of close this lesson up, I want you guys to now work. We're going to do an independent practice. I want you to close this out by taking your first estimate, before you even open the bag. Before you open the bag, take that first estimate, the second estimate, and the actual amount. And I want you to come to a conclusion. I want you to write a short couple of sentences of what conclusion did you come to? What valid assessment did you make about the estimation exercise? How your estimation strategy fits in with the first estimate and also the actual dollar amount. So if you could, I'll go ahead and let you guys do that at this time. Thank you.